Today we're going to be talking about the Anker Prime Dock, 14 outputs, up to 8K output as well, and it's got Thunderbolt 5 capability. Let's get started. So unboxing it comes in a fairly substantial exterior box. Lots of packaging. And then there's a fair weight to it. Oh, let's get this out. This is our...
Anker did provide me with the Prime Dock, but they did not sponsor today's video, so there is no mystery box at the end.
Supreme Performance Multifunction Dock, Anker Prime Docking Station, 120 gigabytes max data transfer, up to 8K resolution, and then 140 watt max fast charging. Ultimate Performance Dock for Thunderbolt 4 and Thunderbolt 5. On the back then it is these pulley strips. And then in the box itself, you don't have too much actually. We'll look at the accessories first. So we have a fairly heavy, we've got a power plug with the adapter. It has an inbuilt power supply unit. So all we have is the whatever socket you're on, and then the AC double barrel. And then we also have a Thunderbolt 5. If we can zoom in on it there, you can see it there. Cable. The only other thing then was, that dropped out, your leaflet. Your support safety sheet, which is a single. The actual dock itself, and that's everything in the box. Power cable. So let's start at the front, which is this guy here. We have power button, and it has multiple functions, on, off, but also it has the ability to change the ambient light. It's an aluminium body. We have audio in, audio out. We've got two USB Type-Cs, 10 gigabit a second with a 45 watt output total between the two of them. And we have a USB-A with 10 gigabyte. To the left-hand side, you have your TF, your transfer flash, or your SD, micro and normal. On the right-hand side, then we've got the Prime. On the top, you've got Anker, and it's actually, you can see it's kind of embossed into it, and there's an LED light that we'll show you. And then the rear, oh, very good. This is where the magic happens. We have two more USB-As with 10 gigabit outputs. We've got the Thunderbolt 5 to computer. Down, we've got two ups for Thunderbolt 5. We've got a 2.5 gigabyte Ethernet, and then we've got either an HDMI 2.0 or DisplayPort 2.0. You can choose one of those. So if you are dual screening it, we've got the AC, and then air in here, either side. Actually, that's closed off, so it's just this one. So it's in on the right hand side, and then up, it must go around. There's an inbuilt fan in this as well. So it's sucked in here, and then it cools it all there. That is all of the ports. On the bottom, you've got your rubberized feet. Let's go and talk about some of the ports. Let's chat about those data transfer speeds and the fact that it's got T5 capability. It can go up to 120 gigabytes per second. That's 3 times faster than Thunderbolt 4. So give you an example as to how that would look on an actual file transfer. If you have a file of 150 gigabytes, if you're using USB-C 3.0, that would take 3 minutes. If you're using Thunderbolt 4, that would take 1 minute. And with Thunderbolt 5, that will take 25 seconds. So we chatted the fact that it's got an integrated power supply unit, IPSU, and it has the first Thunderbolt 5 dock with GaN or gallium nitride capabilities. So what that does is it offers up to 232 watts of total power output and 250 watts of total power input. Charging a 16-inch MacBook Pro, you can go from 10 to 50% in just 26 minutes. And if you want to go to 100%, that will take you 1 hour and 28 minutes. And with that intelligent cooling, it's monitoring the temperature all the time. So even under heavy load, it's not going to get too hot on the outside or the internal components either. The display performance on the Anker Prime dock is very impressive as well. Up to 8K if it's got a Thunderbolt 5 on a Windows device, and then Thunderbolt 5 on a Apple Mac device, up to dual 6Ks as well. You also get updates with the Anker Dock Manager, which gives you updates only when necessary. Prices in Ireland coming in at €419, and in the United States and the United Kingdom, it's $399. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button, leave a comment, share the video, and remember, follow if you're looking for the smart life simplified.